Right, students, so I'm going to do page 248 for you. So make sure you have this. We started it in class, and I'm just going to complete it for you. But if you just copy what I do, you're not going to learn anything. So you're not doing yourself a favor. Try doing it first. So pause the video. Try doing it first. And then fast forward. If the answer is different from what I have, then go ahead and watch the video. But if you just get used to me doing it for you, you're not going to learn. Okay, so order the data from least to greatest. In the board, I was trying to do these here, but no, this is the numbers here. So from least to greatest, simply it's 20. Scratch it out. The next one is 24, 25, 27, 31, and 35. Okay, here find the least value and the greatest value and the median. Okay, so now once it's in order, the least is 20. So the least is 20. The greatest value is 35. And then the median is the one right in the middle. So you look here and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to have 2 of them right in the middle. So you have 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So now when you have 2 in the middle, what you're going to do is you're going to find the mean of that. So you're going to grab 25 and 27. You're going to add them up. 7 plus 5 is 12, 2, 3, 4, 52. And then you're going to divide it by 2. So you're going to get the average of these two. So 52 divided by 2, that's 26. Okay, so then the median, which is the middle number, is 26. Okay, now the lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. The upper quartile is the median of the upper half of the data. Find the lower and the upper quartiles. Now, go ahead and get a clean sheet of paper and let's do it. Now we're finding the quartiles. I did this again in class, so I have 20, 24. I'm putting it in order. I'm just copying this down here. 25, 27, 31, 35. We know that this is the middle number. Okay, so this is the median. I'm sorry, median, which we decided was 25. What did I say? I'm sorry, 26. Okay, so the median is 26. Then you're going to grab this and you're going to get half of it. You're going to grab this and you're going to find what is the median of this and what is the median of this. Again, as I said, if you have 2 medians, because you only have 2 numbers over here, if you have 2, you're going to get the one right in the middle. So 20 plus 24 is 44. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Okay, here you have 31 and 35. If you add that, that's 66. And 66 divided by 2 is 33. Okay, so this is the median of the whole entire set. This is the median of the lower quartile, and this is the median of the higher quartile. So lower quartile is 22, upper quartile is 33. Okay, now above the number line, plot points for the numbers you found in exercises 2 and 3. Draw a box around the quartiles and the median. Draw a line from the least value to the lower quartile. Draw a line from the upper quartile to the greatest value. Here, basically, they want you to do the box, like I was telling you. Okay, now, this is how you do the box. The range is where you're going to start. So you're going to find the lowest number. The lowest number is 20. You're going to put your first dot here. Okay, the greatest number is 35. Okay, you're going to put that here. Between 34 and 35 is here. 34 and 36. Okay, now, where you draw the box, it depends on your first quartile and your last quartile. Okay, so that's where the interquartile ranges come in place. You're going to draw the box between 22 and 33. So it's going to start in 22. So you're going to draw a line right here in 22. Okay, and then the one that's in between here, which was 33, you're going to draw a line between 32 and 34 is 33. Okay, and this is where you're going to draw that box. Okay, and now the mean of the whole entire thing, which is 26, is the first thing that we determined. That is where you're going to put this line right here. Okay, and that's the way your line is going to be. Okay, so this is the range from here to here. This is the mean, and these are the interquartile coordinates. Okay, this is you're going to be your first interquartile median, and this is your third quarter median, and that's where the box is from here to here. Okay, let's do number 5. Use the data to create a box plots. Okay, so same thing. Get another piece of paper. The first thing you're ever going to do when you have a data set like this is that you're going to put it in order. So the first one is 61. The second one is 63. Then is 65. 68. 69. 70. 72. 74. And 78. I always count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Find the least and the greatest values and the median. Okay, so I know the least is going to be 61. So already I know that I'm going to start my box right here at 61. Okay, so 61 is the least. The greatest is going to be 78. So 78 is my greatest. So I know that my box is going to end. My data is going to end here. So I don't know what data they've collected here, but it's between 61 and 78. Maybe it's grades, students' grades in a test. Must have been a hard test because the lowest was 61 and the highest was 78. So nobody got an A. All right, now we're going to find the median. So once you have that, what is the middle number? I think it's somewhere around here, but let me make sure. How many do I have to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see how many do I have to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So the median is 69. So the median is 69. That's where that middle line is going to be. That's your median. But now to see where the box is going to start and where it's going to end, I'm going to find the median of these here, of this side. So what's the middle number here? Well, there's two of them. 63 and 65 are the middle number. So I have to find the middle of 63 and 65. Well, that's easy. I don't have to do the add and then divide by 2 because right in the middle of 63 and 65 lays the number 64. So the median here is 64. That's where I'm going to start my box. Put a line there. And now I'm going to find the middle between 70 and 78. And there's two middles. There's two middle numbers, 72 and 74. So you can either add them and divide by 2, but this is easy. You know, in between 72 and 74, the middle number is 73. So we're going to end right here. So this is your box. And then you connect this here and this here. Okay? Just so you know, from here to here is quartile. This is the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Okay? So the way you read this is you say 25, 50, 75%. You could say 75% of the students scored a 73 or below. Okay? 73 or below, 75% of the students. Or you can say 25% of the students scored 73 or above. Okay, that's kind of how you read it. Okay, all right, guys. So that's how you do your box. Page 200. Your pages. Some of you guys are gonna skip page. So I think I'm gonna post 4 videos and do page by page. The next one is gonna be page 245, and I'll put it on the descriptions of the videos.